Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, magbe-bake tayo ng something else. Parang egg cake. Dadalhin natin sa friend natin. Pupunta tayong Oldham. Oh, what are you doing? Nag-iinarte. Nag-iinarte. Hi guys! Hi guys! Oh, come on. Oh, gusto niya ng yogurt. 1 second. Okay, I'll give you yogurt, anak ko.
It's good.
Yogurt.
Oh,
Can we switch off the telly? Can we switch off the telly then? When you're eating? Eh? Where are we going today? Tell them. Yeah, where are we going? To Kyle. We're gonna go and see Kyle? We're gonna go and visit Kyle. Yeah? You happy? Are you happy? No. We're gonna go to Kyle. The weather is good. Hopefully it will stay like this forever. Are we happy? Are we happy going to see Kyle? Huh? Yes. Okay. There's something in. Yes. Happy. Huh? What's that? Hi guys. So ayun, ito magluluto tayo, magbe-bake tayo ng something else. Something else. Egg cake. Ba't ba ako nagsa something else? Egg cake. Dadalhin kila Jen. Yung friend natin sa Oldham. Malapit lang kami ng Oldham, guys. 10 to 12 minutes, andun na kami. Ang pagbe-bake, 1 oras. Nice? Nice, susapo. Ano, anak ko Only one. Oh, go and watch telly. Go and watch telly. Go. Lagyan natin ng vanilla. Medyo maano yung light sa video. Ano? Ayan, isa lang natin sa oven, guys. Egg cake na may blueberry. Yummy. Hi guys! So, I'm ready. We're ready to go to my friend in Oldham. What car? Oh, zing. Hi guys, we're going now. See you later again. Excited na. Excited na. Oh, come on. Ayan guys, parating na yung Uber namin. Z, get ready ako. Get ready. No, don't remove that one. Don't remove it. One second. Hi guys. Enough na. 1 second. Hi guys. Don't take that one. Zoran. You excited to see Kyle?
Yes.
Yes. We're near. Nearly there. Hi guys, we're here.
Dito yung ano niya.
Konting hi hello lang dito, sis. Kasi hindi ko to bahay, nakakahiyang mag-house raid. Kyle!
Para may ano dito.
Hi! Hi guys!
Ano yung nilalakay? Parang ano?
Hi guys, eto si Jen, oh.
Itsura. Mukha akong po yan, sis.
Lumuwag na yung space nyo, pati
Oo.
dito.
Kasi ano, pinalagay ko to sis kasi nga, dito, di ba nandito yung gamit ni Kyle?
Ah, okay, oo.
Tapos pinano ko ng, parang may ano pwesto ba, para kasi nakakalat yung ano.
Okay, see you again later. Mag-usap-usap na kami. Pagkulitan.
Gusto mo mag-tea?
Hi guys! Ayan, pinick up na kami ni Simon. Ayaw niyang makuha sa video. Pinick up na kami ni Simon. Pauwi na kami from Oldham. Z! Wave! Wave to our followers! Come on! Wave! Oh, he's tired. Snackered. So, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you on the next one. Please share, like, and subscribe.
Maria